Ever stumbled on something so useful you wonder how you lived without it? That's exactly what happened with these Amazon kitchen gadgets. They quietly solve everyday problems and make cooking feel way easier. From clever prep tools to space-saving helpers, each one earns its spot without trying too hard. You'll find all the links in the description below. Speed up your kitchen prep with this handheld electric vegetable chopper. It chops, slices, and grates garlic, ginger, chili, vegetables, and even soft fruits in just 30 seconds. Food-safe materials and stainless steel blades make it safe, sharp, and rust-resistant. The cordless design runs on a rechargeable battery, so you can move it anywhere in the kitchen. Cleanup is simple. Just add water, press a button, and rinse. Making dumplings just got effortless. This stainless steel and wood dumpling cutter glides smoothly through dough, creating perfect wrappers every time. The polished wooden handle feels comfortable in your hand, even during long cooking sessions. Compact and precise, it's great for dumplings, pot stickers, empanadas, or even pastries. Just rinse and air dry when done, and you're ready for your next culinary adventure. Make snacking fun and mess-free with these 8 colorful dip clips. They snap securely onto plates, perfect for sauces, dips, or small snacks at home, BBQs, or movie nights. Each clip holds just the right portion, keeping food separate for picky eaters or portion control. Made from BPA-free, durable plastic, they're reusable, dishwasher-safe, and bright enough to add a playful touch to any meal or party spread. Turn veggies into fun, healthy noodles in seconds. This 4-in-1 spiralizer lets you create zucchini zoodles, pasta, or spirals with minimal effort. The strong suction cup keeps it steady, while the ultra-sharp stainless steel blades slice evenly every time. Perfect for low-carb, gluten-free, or raw food meals. It makes cooking healthier and more creative. Comes with a recipe book and cleaning brush, so prep and cleanup are a breeze. Breakfast just got easier and faster. This 6-inch electric frying pan heats evenly with 450 watts power, so your eggs, bacon, or dumplings cook perfectly every time. The non-stick surface means less oil and super easy cleanup. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or camping trips. Plug it in, cook, and enjoy. No setup or assembly required. Meet Red, the crab who's ready to help in your kitchen. This silicone utensil rest keeps spoons, ladles, tongs, and chopsticks off your counters while handling hot steam like a pro. Made from heat-resistant, food-grade silicone, it's safe, durable, and dishwasher-friendly for easy cleaning. Its quirky crab design adds a fun touch while keeping your cooking space tidy. Perfect for home cooks, or as a playful gift, Red makes prep and cleanup a breeze. Keep your kitchen clean without hiding your food. This foldable silicone splatter screen fits 10 to 12-inch pans and blocks hot oil and grease from escaping. You can even add liquids on top without lifting it, so heat stays in while you cook. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. When you're done, fold it up to save space, or use it as a trivet to protect your counters. Making ice has never been this easy. This single hand press ice tray lets you pop out cubes with one simple push. No twisting or banging required. Made from sturdy, temperature-resistant plastic, it's perfect for home, parties, or camping trips. The compact design fits neatly in your freezer, and the fun shapes add a little flair to any drink. Chill your beverages quickly and impress guests with hassle-free ice every time. crush garlic in seconds without straining your hands. This stainless steel garlic rocker uses a simple rocking motion to mince cloves quickly and evenly. The comfortable handle makes it easy to use, even if your grip is weak. Cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse or pop it in the dishwasher. Durable and practical. It's a handy kitchen tool and a thoughtful gift for any cooking fan. Make breakfast fun with these penguin-shaped egg holders. This 3-in-1 gadget cooks, stores, and serves up to 6 eggs at once. Just drop them in boiling water for soft or hard-boiled eggs, then lift them out safely with the cool touch handle. The bottom holes let water drain quickly, and the compact design fits neatly in your fridge or on the table. Cute, practical, and BPA-free. It's perfect for penguin fans or as a quirky gift. No more burned fingers in the kitchen. This hot plate gripper lets you safely lift bowls, plates, and pots with one hand. The wavy silicone tips hold items securely without slipping or scratching. It adjusts to different angles, so you can grab hot dishes even in tight spaces. Lightweight and reusable. It's perfect for cooking at home or taking along on outdoor picnics. Say goodbye to messy pickle jars. This glass pickle container keeps your pickles fresh with its airtight, leak-proof silicone lid and non-slip base. The built-in strainer lets you separate juice from food with a simple flip, so soaking or serving is easy and clean. Made from durable, lead-free glass and dishwasher-safe components, it handles both hot and cold safely. With a generous 34-ounce capacity, it's perfect for pickles, olives, or even fruit, and makes a fun, practical gift. Scaling fish just got a whole lot easier. This 4-piece stainless steel kit scrapes away stubborn fish scales in seconds, saving you a messy kitchen. Each scaler has serrated teeth for quick, clean removal, and one even doubles as a bottle opener. The non-slip handles keep you safe while you work, and the durable construction means these tools last for years. Compact and lightweight, they're perfect for home use or as a gift for any fish lover. Say goodbye to dull knives in seconds. This mini knife sharpener gives your kitchen blades a razor-sharp edge without any electricity. The suction cup base sticks firmly to smooth surfaces, keeping it steady while you sharpen. Its compact size fits in your pocket, so you can take it camping or keep it at your workstation. With the angled steel guides, your knives get the perfect edge safely, every time. Keep the fizz alive at every party. This soda dispenser pumps your drinks straight from the bottle, so soda stays bubbly longer. It's simple to use. Just place it, press, and enjoy your carbonated drinks without losing sparkle. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, it's safe and easy to clean. Compact and portable, it's perfect for parties, picnics, or just keeping your favorite soda fresh at home. Spreading jam shouldn't feel like a battle with the jar. This silicone spatula scoops and spreads smoothly, getting every last bit without sticking to your hands. The built-in can opener and even handles tough lids, so you don't need extra tools. Its curved head reaches corners and edges, perfect for peanut butter, chocolate, or sauces. Easy to clean and safe to use, it keeps your kitchen tidy while making prep simple. Crepes don't have to be tricky or messy. This electric crepe maker heats up in seconds and spreads batter evenly for perfect thin crepes every time. The non-stick surface means nothing sticks, so flipping and serving is a breeze. Just preheat, dip, and lift. It's that simple. Compact, easy to clean, and even comes with a batter tray, making breakfast, snacks, or desserts effortless and fun. Eggs shouldn't be hiding in the back of your fridge. This rolling egg holder keeps them lined up and ready to grab. As you take one, the next egg gently rolls forward on its own. The multi-layer design saves space while holding a full batch in one spot. It's simple, neat, and makes your fridge feel instantly more organized every time you open it. Making meatballs by hand can get messy fast. This tool shapes multiple perfect balls at once with a simple press. You just scoop, squeeze, and you're done. No sticky hands needed. The built-in cutter helps release each piece cleanly without ruining the shape. It's quick, neat, and works for everything from meat to dough, making prep feel way easier. Kitchen scraps pile up fast when you don't have the right spot for them. This compact compost bin hangs neatly on a cabinet or sits on your counter for easy access. The lid keeps odors sealed in, so your space stays fresh all day. You can open it quickly while cooking, then empty it without any mess. It's simple, space-saving, and makes handling food waste way more convenient. Your fridge shouldn't feel like a guessing game every time you open it. These adjustable dividers snap right onto your shelves to keep everything neatly in place. You can separate drinks, sauces, and snacks so nothing tips over or gets lost in the back. The expandable design lets you fit different shelf sizes without tools. Clear, simple, and surprisingly satisfying to keep your fridge looking organized. Peeling shouldn't feel like a chore that slows everything down. This electric peeler does the work for you in seconds. Just place your fruit or vegetable and let it spin. The blade adjusts automatically, removing only the skin without wasting the good stuff underneath. It stays steady with a non-slip base, so you don't have to hold it in place. Quick, clean, and surprisingly satisfying to watch in action. Microwave messes have a way of showing up at the worst time. This food cover keeps splatters contained while your meal heats up evenly. It traps steam inside, so your food stays moist instead of drying out. There's even a small water chamber to boost humidity for better texture. The handle stays cool, making it easy to lift, and the clear dome lets you see everything as it cooks. Butter always sounds like a good idea until it turns into a greasy mess. This electric butter sprayer gives you a smooth, even mist with just one press. You can use it on popcorn, toast, or anything that needs a quick buttery boost. The built-in chamber melts and holds the butter so you're not juggling extra dishes. It's cordless, rechargeable, and small enough to keep right in your fridge for easy use anytime. Your full-size oven isn't always worth turning on. This countertop toaster oven handles everything from quick toast to full meals in one compact space. The convection fan circulates hot air, so your food cooks faster and more evenly every time. You can bake, broil, toast, or keep things warm without switching appliances. It even fits standard oven pans, making it easy to cook and serve without extra hassle. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.